precision spraying drones, AI harvesters, and laser weeding machines do not just save time. They directly solve these problems by reducing labor needs, saving money, and protecting the environment. Let's start with the technology that has already taken flight above farms worldwide: precision spraying drones. Precision spraying drones are unmanned aerial vehicles designed specifically for farming. They carry tanks of fertilizer or pesticides and use smart cameras and sensors to spray crops with pinpoint accuracy. Unlike tractors or planes that spray entire fields, drones know exactly where a crop needs treatment. They apply just the right amount in the right place. Real-world progress in this area is exciting. The DJI Agras T50 and T60 drones can carry 40 to 60 liters of liquid and spray up to 12 hectares in just 1 hour. The XIG P100 Pro uses artificial intelligence to recognize crops and adjust spray patterns on the go. In the United States, the Hylio AG272 is becoming a favorite because it can map fields and adjust spraying in real time. Canadian farmers are using drones on wheat and canola fields to target pests like flea beetles without overspraying. Australian farmers are flying drones to fight weeds in massive rangelands, even in places tractors cannot reach. For farmers, the benefits are clear. A single operator with a drone can cover hundreds of acres in a day, replacing an entire team of workers. Drones use up to 90% less chemical spray than traditional methods, saving money and protecting the soil and water. They can reach areas that are steep, muddy, or flooded, places where tractors cannot go. For farmers in the United States, this means less dependence on seasonal labor and more control over pest management. For Canadian farmers, drones help during short growing seasons by applying treatments quickly and precisely. For Australian farmers managing vast and remote land, drones save days of manual work. Precision drones have already proven they can boost yields while cutting costs. They are not just gadgets, they are powerful partners in modern farming. AI-based harvesting robots, the smart farmhands. Harvesting fruits and vegetables is one of the most labor-intensive jobs in agriculture. In the United States, labor accounts for nearly 40% of the cost of producing fresh produce. Finding enough workers during peak seasons is becoming a crisis, and unpicked crops mean big losses. Canada and Australia face similar challenges because of their large farms and smaller rural workforces. This is why robotic harvesters are game changers. Companies around the world are creating machines that can identify ripe crops, reach them, and pick them gently, all without damaging the plant or the fruit. One example is FF Robotics, which can pick up to 10,000 apples per hour with its robotic arms guided by vision-based AI. The AgRobot E-Series specializes in strawberries, finding ripe berries and plucking them carefully. Carbon Robotics is working on a smart harvester for tomatoes and peppers that combines cameras and soft grippers. Octinian's Rubion robot uses a gentle suction cup to pick strawberries, perfect for delicate produce. These robots use cameras and machine learning to spot ripe produce, plan the best picking angle, and harvest with a soft touch. Many can work day and night, rain or shine, dramatically increasing productivity. For farmers, robotic harvesters reduce dependence on human labor, maintain consistent quality, and cut waste by harvesting at just the right time. They also save money over the long term by replacing recurring labor costs. In California's vineyards and Washington's apple orchards, AI harvesters are already helping farmers handle peak harvest seasons. In Canada, berry and greenhouse vegetable growers are turning to robotic pickers to stay competitive despite high wages. In Australia, robotic cotton and fruit harvesters are covering huge distances and reducing the pressure caused by workforce shortages. By using AI harvesters, farmers can pick smarter, faster, and more sustainably than ever before. Laser weeding, farming with light beams. Weeds have always been a problem. They compete with crops for water, sunlight, and nutrients. Most farmers rely heavily on herbicides to control weeds, but chemicals can harm soil health, pollute water, and lead to herbicide-resistant weeds. This is where laser weeding comes in. It uses light, not chemicals, to destroy weeds. Laser weeding systems combine AI cameras with powerful yet precise lasers. They scan the field, identify weeds, and zap them at the root. Carbon Robotics laser weeder in the United States can target more than 200,000 weeds per hour. Greenfield Robotics uses small autonomous vehicles equipped with lasers to manage weeds between rows of crops. In Australia, the weed spider system is designed for large grain farms where herbicide resistance is a big problem. For farmers, the benefits are huge. There are no chemical residues, which means healthier soil and crops. There is less spending on herbicides. There is no risk of chemical runoff harming rivers or wildlife. And just like with drones and robots, there is less need for manual labor. In the American Midwest, laser weeders are especially popular among organic farmers who must avoid synthetic chemicals. Canadian farmers in provinces like Saskatchewan and Alberta use laser weeding to fight herbicide-resistant weeds. Australian grain growers see laser technology as a breakthrough for managing weeds sustainably across massive fields. By eliminating weeds with precision and without chemicals, laser weeding makes farms cleaner, greener, and more productive. The bigger picture: reducing labor and increasing yields. Now let's step back and see what happens when we combine these three technologies. Drones apply fertilizer and pesticides exactly where they are needed. Laser machines keep fields weed-free without chemicals. AI robots harvest crops quickly and gently. Together, they form a powerful precision farming ecosystem. This combination reduces the need for seasonal labor, which is critical in the United States, Canada, and Australia, where labor is costly and often in short supply. It boosts yields because crops are healthier and harvested at the right time. It lowers production costs by reducing waste and losses. And it protects the environment by minimizing chemical use. Studies show that precision spraying can increase yields by up to 15% while cutting chemical use by up to 90%. Robotic harvesting can reduce labor costs by 25 to 50%. Laser weeding can slash herbicide use by as much as 80%. For farmers, this means stronger businesses. For the world, it means more reliable food supplies. In regions like North America and Australia, adopting these tools is not just about following a trend. It is about securing the future of farming in a time of climate challenges and global competition. The future of farming is no longer something we wait for. It is already here. Drones are flying over cornfields in Iowa. Robots are picking strawberries in Canadian greenhouses. Lasers are clearing weeds in Australian wheat fields. These are not experiments. They are real tools being used on real farms, delivering higher yields, lower costs, and a more sustainable way to grow food. For farmers in America, Canada, and Australia, now is the time to explore these technologies. They can help overcome labor shortages, reduce chemical use, and grow more food for a growing world. The agricultural revolution is underway, and it is transforming the way we produce food, one drone flight, one robotic arm, and one laser pulse at a time.